beautiful. I feel the grace that is there in a Bengali woman. It's poetry in motion. You know, there is visual poetry happening. I don't know if that answers your question.
उसी exactly location से हमने स्त्री 2 का shoot भी start किया with me and Shraddha. So I think it was very nostalgic. स्त्री हमेशा हमारे लिए एक बहुत ही special film रहेगी, and we'll hope कि we keep making स्त्री every 2-3 years because it's so much fun. And that's the reason we took 6 years to come back with Stree, because we were waiting for the right story, the right screenplay. Because we never wanted to just make another part for the heck of it, just because part 1 worked. A lot of people do that. Part 1 works, so suddenly just immediately make another one because you want to encash on the success of the first one. Amar, our director, genius guy that he is, a writer, Naren, they were constantly thinking about the idea of what to make out of it for the sequel. And what I love about this sequel is it's a true blue sequel. It exactly starts from where Stree 1 ended, from that last shot of Stree standing in front of the statue. It exactly starts from there. So I think the world is similar. Of course, the fun has been multiplied by 10 times. The horror is there, and as you said, the social satire, that is also there. So it's a true blue sequel. You won't miss anything. You'll only enjoy way more than what you enjoyed in part 1.
I'm so sure about the kind of work that I want to do. I want to be a part of films like Stree 2, where the character is a pivotal part of taking a narrative forward. So I feel also as an actor, as a female actor, when there are films that you are offered, and there are films that when I'm thinking about doing a film, I'm asking myself just this right now, that is my character active in the narrative to push the narrative forward? Is it going to be something challenging for me to do? So there are a lot of no's that I'm also saying, because I feel like as an actor I want to evolve.
People are desperately waiting for Stree 2 to be released. So we are very hopeful. We are that it's going to do much better business than Stree 1.
You know what? There's a lot of excitement for Stree 2. Stree got a lot of love from the entire spectrum of the audience, children, families, friends. Everybody went and watched our film and gave it a lot of love, and there was a lot of repeat value because it was very entertaining. So of course, the hope is there that people also get entertained. I mean, you get a great feeling, यार, जब लोग थिएटर में जाके आपकी फिल्म को देखते हैं ना, because I love the whole cinematic experience. Is a great one to have to watch a movie. So I hope that they enjoy watching the movie in theaters. But it's a collective effort. You have a bunch of terrific actors. You have very catchy dialogues. You have lovely writing, you have a brilliant director, you have a great production house. All those forces have come together. So I also feel like with Shitsky there were those factors, and I don't think that there was a show like that we had seen. I was hooked onto it, and absolutely you're right. When I see content that inspires me or entertains me, it definitely inspires me to think. It makes me think, okay, what kind of work do I want to do? Okay, I'm very inspired by the kind of writing or direction or performances that I've just watched. In our cinema, it's such a beautiful thing that there are different kinds of comedies and different kinds of audiences for those comedies. So you have, for example, a David Dhawan film, which has a different world of comedy. Then you have a film like Stree, which is a different world of comedy. So I feel like at the same time there's also evolution happening, which is of course cinema is a reflection of real life. Cinema is, as our country also evolves, as the way we think evolves, cinema also evolves in that way.
Dream in my eyes, how to be a film actor one day. And to get the kind of encouragement and love and support from everyone is truly humbling for me. But yeah, the kind of love Newton got or Trap got, and now Shrikant. So I think there's certainly a huge section of the audience who wants to watch these beautiful stories. So we cannot stop making such stories. I'm so happy when 12 Fail, films like 12 Fail works, Shrikant works, Lavata Ladies work, because it gives a lot of hope to a lot of makers out there who are trying to tell these content-driven, beautiful stories. फिर मी एंड श्रद्धा वो छत पे जब ये पहली बार आती हैं और वो टिक 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 वो सब जो मैं करता हूँ, उसी एग्जैक्टली लोकेशन से हमने स्त्री 2 का शूट भी स्टार्ट किया विद मी एंड श्रद्धा. सो आई थिंक इट वाज वेरी नॉस्टैल्जिक. स्त्री हमेशा हमारे लिए एक बहुत ही स्पेशल फिल्म रहेगी एंड वील होप कि वी keep making Stree every 2-3 years because it's so much fun just to be a part of this family, just to be part of this set, of this team, because you carry such wonderful memories that you talk about them for a very very long time.
बहुत सारे मेमोरीज है. स्त्री 2, स्त्री एक्चुअली पहली वाली में भी हमने इतना धमाल किया सेट पे, क्योंकि मज़ेदार फिल्म है, माहौल ही वैसा था सेट पर, तो सेम वैसे ही हमने इस फिल्म में भी किया. और नरेशन के टाइम पे ये मैंने शेयर भी किया कि जब नरेशन के वक्त पिक्चर आपको अच्छी लगती है ना, मैं तो हंस हंस के पागल हो गई थी, तो उतना ही मज़ा आता है सेट पे भी, तो वैसा ही हुआ स्त्री 2 के सेट पे भी.
पार्ट 2 का जो थ्रेट है ना, हमारा जो विलन है, जो भूत है सर कटा, उसको जब आप देखेंगे तो उसको देख के वैसे ही आपको डर लग जाएगा. जब वो सेट पे भी आए थे, he's a very sweet guy otherwise, पर जब वो एक्ट कर रहे होते थे तो हमको genuinely बहुत डर लगता था उनसे. वो कास्टिंग इतनी परफेक्ट कास्टिंग है ना, पिच परफेक्ट कास्टिंग है वो सर कटा की.